Welcome to Wisdovision. Today we gonna know about farming. I think you know, but in this you will get more complicated information. Farming is the act or process of working the ground, planting seeds and growing edible plants. Farmer is a person who runs and works on a farm. In simple words, farmer is the person who is farming. Now let's know some facts about farming. On average, about 2,500 liters of water need to be supplied to a rice field to produce 1 kilogram of rough rice. The mind-blowing fact is that a farmer works physically more than 40 hours in field per 1 week, but the farmer still pays less salary than a software engineer. The Egyptians are the first people to practice farming on a large scale. China is the largest producer of rice in the world. One plant produces anywhere from 70 to 100 grains of rice per panicle. Now, let's know about major types of farming. Subsistence farming is the form of farming in which nearly all the crops are livestock raised are used to maintain the farmer and the farmer's family, leaving little, if any, surplus for sale or trade. Intensive farming is a type of farming in both of crop plants and of animals, with higher levels of inputs and outputs per unit of agriculture land area. Commercial farming is a type of farming in which crops and livestock are raised to sell the products in a market for profit. The mixed farming defines the cultivation of crops alongside the rearing of animals for meat or eggs or milk. Terrace farming is the method of growing crops on sides of hills or mountains by planting on terrace bolts into the slope. And the last one is plantation farming, is the practice of clearing a large parcel of forest land and planting the desired crops in huge number on the cleared land. I think this content is useful for you.